Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to remove default sign-in user account picture in Windows 11 or 10. So how to fix this remove default sign-in user account picture in Windows 11 or 10. So you can very easily remove this sign-in. So firstly you need to search registry editor and open it. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now click on file and export, and here you save this export file, so you can easily backup by import and easily you can backup. Now need to double click on H key locate machine software folder, double click on it. Now Windows current version, sorry this Microsoft, double click on it. Now Windows, double click on it, current version, double click on it. Publicis, double click on it, and Explore, click on it, one time click on it. Now in right side you need to right click on it, new dworld, and need to give name this, use default tile, so use use default and tile, use default tile. Simply type this and make sure this U will be capital, D and T will be capital, and create this key and valid data also 1, this valid data also 1, and click on OK. So create this folder, give name this folder name is this, and valid data is 1, so double click on it and valid data give 1. And after this process will complete, so unexpand this all, so just click on it and uninstall this all box, unexpand this all box and close it. Now restart your PC or laptop, and after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.